Yeah, we can use the kitchen gloves. We can just clean them after. Let's go. Well, actually, just wash the bird. Just kidding.
So there is in fact a bird in our house.
I'm scared. Go to your room and stay in your room. Shut the door. I can't. Ew. Yeah. Be right back.
I think Kara tinkled on the floor a little bit, but it's okay. That's her little tinkles. Oh, it's literally shaking.
I'm shaking because I'm actually about
It might not be able to fly.
I know it's a baby, so I think it won't attack me.
Because then we can also just open the door and you put it out on the porch, possibly.
Come here. Tweet, tweet.
I should have just picked it up. Dang. You need to like engulf your hands around it. I know. Can you move that? Yeah.
No, she's not. It's not her. I got confused. It's just some rando pulling into our house.
Oh my gosh, I can't feel my fingers.
It says Mercedes on it, so it's not us. It's a rando. Oh, they might be dropping something off. But you better grab that bird. You let it go. Oh my goodness. I can't open the garage if you're not gonna. I think just do the front door.
Okay.
You just have.
No, you just put it on the porch. And you open the door? Why? Because it won't let me open the door or anything. I'm calling you right now. So she just called and hung up on us, so. Anyway. I'm scared I'm gonna be too hard. Like, you just have to hold it enough to where it's like in your grasp. Bro, how do I put this up? Put your hand on top. I know. And then hold a hamburger like I showed you. And then just make sure it's firm enough so that it can't get out, but not firm enough that you're suffocating it. Because it is a baby.
Do we have a container?
We cannot put it in a container.
Yes, we can.
No, it is a chick. Did it fly off?
I think the mama bird caught it. Or they're gonna abandon the bird and the alligator.
What the heck? What the heck does that mean? Wait, we have stuff outside. Booty cheeks.
Can I put this down? You have stuff outside though, so. Okay, we're gonna do it.